Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make this black soap right here. Have you ever wished for one natural soap that can repair damaged skin, fade dark spots, brighten your complexion, and even leave your skin soft and glowy? If you've ever made that wish, then today I'm going to share a very powerful African black soap recipe made with one surprising kitchen ingredient, which is Star Anise. Now this spice is loaded with antioxidants and it works beautifully with turmeric, honey, oatmeal and aloe vera to give your skin a very healthy glow. Now you want to stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys, I will tell you exactly how to go about this for the best results. Star anise is more than a cooking spice. Now most persons know this as something they use for zobo or something they use for herbal drinks, but it is more than that. It contains antioxidants that helps protect the skin from environmental stress. Now when used in skincare, it can help improve the appearance of dull skin and support a smoother looking complexion. Now when you combine this with turmeric, it visibly brightens the skin, and then honey helps to moisturize the skin, aloe vera helps to calm the skin. This soap becomes a complete skin repair treatment soap. So just in case your skin is a bit damaged, or you need something that's going to get the skin back on track, or you need something that's going to brighten up your skin a little bit, but basically to repair your skin, this recipe is what you should do. Now for this recipe, you'll be needing 500 grams of African black soap. You'll also be needing about 5 of the Star Anise. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of oatmeal powder. You'll be needing 2 tablespoons of rice powder. You'll also be needing 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is optional. If you have a very sensitive skin, you don't need to add lemon juice. And you also need about 5 capsules of vitamin E oil. The first thing you're going to do is to go ahead and shred your black soap, dissolve it using the heat method, or you can just put it in your mortar. If there's a separate mortar that you use in making soap, so you can just grate your black soap and put it in the mortar, or you have to dissolve it and then set aside. Then you're going to add half cup of hot water to the Star Anise, cover it and let it steep for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is also going to create a concentrated infusion that carries the beneficial compounds into your soap. So you want to soak it so that everything gets out. Soak it and just keep it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes, that everything is going to infuse into that water, and that is the water you'll be using to make your soap. Now after about 30 minutes, you want to transfer this water, mix it in your black soap. Okay, after that you add your turmeric powder, add your oatmeal, add rice powder, add honey and aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil and the lemon juice. If you're using lemon juice, you want to mix everything thoroughly. Mix it until it is well combined. The texture of this soap should be creamy and easy to scoop. Okay, now this one now you're seeing right here is something like I made it that very day. Now leaving it to the next day is going to look smoother than this. Now this soap is, you just have to leave it in an airtight container like the container that I'm using, where you're going to cover it tightly. Whenever you want to use it, just bring it out and then you use. If you added lemon juice to this, then I'll advise you use this only at night because of the sensitivity of lemon juice on some person's skin. Of course, you can actually avoid adding lemon juice to this soap. Then when you want to use this soap for best results, I would advise that you wet your skin and then you apply a small amount of the soap all over your body. Apply it everywhere, then leave this soap on your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes before you can rinse it off. Now if your skin tolerates this soap very well, then you can use it morning and evening. After that, you have to just follow up with a very good moisturizer and a sunscreen during the day. if you know that you're using something that is harsh on your skin, you want to stop using it because you're trying to repair your skin, and because this is actually a skin repairer soap. Now, with consistent use of this soap, you will notice a softer skin and a brighter looking complexion within 1 to 2 weeks. Dark spots and rough patches will gradually fade. It will gradually become less noticeable over time while using this soap. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you've watched this video up to this point, please go ahead and subscribe. Click on it. It is absolutely free to do that. Also, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post videos on this channel, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. If there's something else you want, or you want to see something, drop it in the comment section. Let's make this interactive. Now, if you love natural skincare, then try this Star Anise black soap. Star Anise is one underrated skincare ingredient that a lot of persons do not even know that Star Anise is an ingredient that you can actually add to your soap. Try this Star Anise black soap and let me know how it works for you. Now, comment glow in the comment section if you want more powerful DIY skincare recipes. Do not forget to like this video, share, and subscribe for more.